Welcome to the 2025 Guide to Etoro Stocks, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of online trading. Etoro is a popular social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Etoro website or mobile app. First, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your account by providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. Next, you will need to familiarize yourself with the Etoro platform. The platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, with a range of features and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. You can browse through a list of available stocks, commodities, and currencies, and view real-time prices and market data. To buy stocks on Etoro, simply search for the stock you want to purchase, and click on the Buy button. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the transaction. You can also set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses, and a take-profit order to lock in your gains. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading platform, which allows you to connect with other traders and investors. You can view their profiles, see their investment portfolios, and even copy their trades. This can be a great way to learn from experienced traders and get inspiration for your own investment strategy. Best practices for trading on Etoro include starting with a solid understanding of the markets and the assets you want to trade. It is also important to set clear goals and risk management strategies, and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, it is a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of assets, and to keep a close eye on market trends and news. In conclusion, Etoro is a powerful platform for buying and selling stocks, commodities, and currencies. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with trading on Etoro and start achieving your investment goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk, and you will be well on your way to success in the world of online trading.